Good morning, students. Today is your first class of applied maths. Whether it is applied or a main maths is always difficult. I can't say that it is difficult, it needs time. So you have to give time to mathematics. You will feel it easy. The first topic of today is complex number. We will not discuss complex number in much detail as we do with pure math students. Here you can say that we will cover around 70% of that syllabus which they will which pure math students will cover. Fine. Now till now we have started with the real numbers. Till grade 10 you have finished with the real numbers. You have finished with integer, natural, rational, irrational, then real. Then what is the need of complex number? Basically the term which you have listened first, that means complex number. What is this complex number and why we need this complex number? In grade 10 you have seen an equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if I'll take 1 to that side, it becomes minus 1. And what is the value of 1? Minus 1 under root. So you must know that under root can never be defined in negative. Under root is possible only of a positive thing. Negative thing can never be defined under the root. So that means this term is wrong. So we have to make it right. When we have to make it right, that means we have to eliminate negative sign from the root. We have to eliminate negative sign from the root. So to remove this negative sign, we need a complex number. There is a word iota that is denoted by I. Iota square is always equal to minus 1. The word iota, this is a Greek letter. To overcome minus 1 under root, we need iota. Iota square is equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 can be replaced by iota square. This is iota square is to 1. Under root of iota square, this is iota. So what is the solution of this equation? X is equal to iota is the solution of this equation. So what is this x is equal to iota? This is called complex number. So any number with which iota is attached, that is called complex number. For example, 2 plus 3 iota. This is a complex number. This complex number has two parts. One is 2. This is called real part because no iota is attached with it. Second is 3 iota. This is called imaginary part because iota is attached with it. The combined, it is called complex number in which real and imaginary part both are. So 2 plus 3 iota, this is combined called complex number which has two parts. Now again we will concentrate on iota. How we will find out the values of iota? That means values of power of iota. Clear? So how we will get power of iota? The first thing is iota square. This is equal to minus 1. That we have already done. The value of minus 1 is iota square. Now if we will go for iota cube, what do you mean by iota cube? This is iota square is to iota. I can break iota cube is to iota square is to iota. The value of iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by iota, this is minus iota. So iota cube is equal to minus iota. Now the value of iota 4, this is iota square whole square. 2 is to 2, 4. The value of iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 square is equal to plus 1. So value of iota 4 is equal to 1. These values you have to remember by heart. Iota square minus 1, iota cube is equal to minus iota, iota 4 is equal to iota. Now what is the value of iota 5? Iota 5 can be written as iota 4 is to iota. Iota 4 can be written as iota square raised to power 2. Now iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 square, this is plus 1. Plus 1 is to iota, again iota. So iota 5 is equal to, these are the basic values. In this way, now we are coming to the examples. We can find any value of iota. Example is iota raised to power 97. So I am going to write it as a iota square raised to power 48. So 48 is to 2, 96 is to 1 iota, 97. Iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 48, minus 1 raised to power even number is plus 1 is to iota. This is iota. So iota raised to power 97 value is iota. So it is, there is a simplification which you are doing since grade 6. You have to solve this iota 27, iota 83, iota 49. So express every value in the term of iota square, substitute the value of iota square, solve the power and get the answer. Now, when the two complex numbers are said to be equal, two complex numbers are said to be equal if the real parts and imaginary parts are equal to each other. So this is one complex number, this is another complex number, a plus iota b and c plus iota d. Two complex numbers are said to be equal if the real parts are equal. That means a is equal to c, and imaginary parts are equal. That means b is equal to d. That means iota part should be is equal to iota, and without iota part should be is equal to without iota. Okay. So on the basis of the equality of two complex number, I'm going to discuss with you the example. He's saying find two numbers x and y if this is an equation. Now he has given us that this is equal to this. That means real part, that means without iota is equal to without iota, and with iota part is equal to with iota part. That means 4x is equal to 3. 4x is equal to 3. What is the value of x? 3 by 4. Now iota 3x minus y is equal to iota minus x. Iota cancels with each other. That means this is equal to 3x minus y is equal to minus x. Substitute the value of x here. You will find the value of y is 33 by 4. So in this way you. Now addition and subtraction of complex number. Very important. When you will add the two complex number, real part will be added into real and imaginary part will be added into imaginary part. See, one complex number is z1, a plus iota b. This is the real part a, this is the imaginary part iota b. Second complex number z2. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. Now real part is added into real and imaginary is added into imaginary. So that means a plus c and b plus d. Is it clear? So the answer is a plus d plus iota b plus d. If we'll subtract two complex number in the same way, real part is subtracted from real and imaginary part is subtracted from imaginary. That means a minus c and here is b minus d. A minus c and b minus d. Okay. When you will multiply the two complex number, simple rule of multiplication is there. When you will multiply the two complex number, real part is multiplied by real and imaginary part will be multiplied by imaginary. Clear? In the same way, real is added into real, imaginary is added into imaginary. Real is multiplied by real, imaginary is multiplied by imaginary. For example, we have to multiply it and we have to express it in the form of a plus iota b. Now see, what are the real? 2 and minus a, 1 by 8 raised to power 3. These are the real part. What are imaginary? Minus iota, iota and iota cube. So minus iota, iota and iota cube, they are separated from 2 and minus 1 raised to power 3. 2 and minus 1 by 8 raised to power 3. So iota is to iota, this is iota square, iota cube is to iota square, iota 5, 1 negative is there. Now solve iota 5, the value of iota 5 is iota we have already calculated. So the answer is minus iota. In the same way here, on the part of real, 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 8 raised to power 3, that means 1 over 64 is to 8, minus comes at front. After solving you will get minus 1 over 256. When you will multiply it, minus goes plus, minus and minus are plus, iota over 256. Now this is the iota part, that means imaginary part. Real part is 0, so I can write it as a 0 plus iota 2 over 256. This is the complete complex number which is in the form of a plus iota b. The value of a is 0, the value of b is 1 over 256. A is 0, b is 1 over 256. So here express 5 minus iota cube in the form of a plus iota b. So this is a minus b whole cube. I am going to open it, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Simple formula which we had discussed in grade 8, 9, 10. 5 cube 125. We have solved this, it comes to 225 iota. We have solved this, it comes to 135 iota square. We have solved this, it comes to minus 27 in iota cube. So 125 minus 225 iota plus iota square is minus 1, minus come at front, minus 135. Iota cube is minus iota, minus plus, this is 27 iota. So after solving, that means real is added into real and imaginary is added into imaginary. This is real, this is real, this is imaginary, this is imaginary. After solving, this is the complex number which is in the form of a plus iota b. A is equal to -10 and B is equal to. Thank you.